Hello friends. We are glad to see you on our channel. Happy viewing. Since Apple introduced the iPhone SE, this model has been widely discussed, and from time to time shown with insiders, and several media outlets also released the suspect iPhone SE2, its specifications, prices and photos. The last render shows that the iPhone SE may 2nd be called iPhone mini. The new phone update is designed with a notch, and the front part looks like a small iPhone XS. The back of the phone continues the iPhone SE style. The size of the entire case is close to the iPhone SE reported by the Informer Tech, citing. Foreign media also provide a special iPhone mini configuration. The phone will be equipped with a 5-inch Super Retina OLED display with a resolution of 2080x960 pixels, an A12 Bionic processor, a 12-megapixel main camera and a 7-megapixel front camera. The new iPhone mini will be charged from the built-in 1860 mAh battery that supports wireless charging and works on iOS 13 with support for dark mode. It supports protection against dust and moisture IP67 and has 3 colors: silver, gold, and gray. The 64GB version will cost $849, 128GB, $949, and the 256GB version, $1,099. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Always glad to see you.